Hello everyone, welcome to the latest video. I've been on holiday recently and I've only just had chance to speak to you really. I had a really good holiday. Thanks to everyone who wished me a good holiday, and thanks to everyone who has watched the latest GoPro video. And if you haven't, you should have done, but you can watch it. I'll pop it up as a little thingy, little link, and it'll be popping up somewhere around the top of here sometime soon, so you can check that out. But yeah, I've just been so busy since got back off holiday. A few cool things have happened, and I've got just loads of ideas of new videos I want to do. And also a bit of a channel update is I hit 900 subscribers recently, which is fantastic. Appreciate if anyone has been sharing the channel. Word of mouth is great. You know, I get some really nice comments, which honestly I really appreciate. It's great to see the subscribers going up. You know, I see it do drop as well, but at the same time, you know, overall it's been going up, and it's not a race, it's a marathon. A lot of hard work goes into the channel, and it's great to see people enjoying it, commenting, liking the videos. So really appreciate it, everyone. Thank you a lot. So one of the things that happened when I was on holiday in Orlando was a lad, I'll put a link in the description, so I've got to do a big shout out to this lad, Joe. It's J.A.B's adventure. He got in contact with me. He joined some of my live chats, which is fantastic. Thanks, Joe. And comments on videos. And what he's done is he posted to the hotel when we were out there, which is fantastic, was these new Master Airscrew. I thought it was just the Phantom 4, but it can be used from the Phantom 1 to 4, and so I'm going to test these out, which is great. They're supposed to be better performance, supposed to be quieter, and improve battery life. So, you know, who knows? I'm definitely going to try these out. I'm really excited to see what the difference is. Today's video, what I want to try and do is, I'm going to see if I can find somewhere quite quiet, close to home. Just on one of the fields. There's some kids around at the moment, so I'm not too sure, because I don't want to pick up on ambient sound too much. But I've downloaded a decibel meter on my phone, and what I'm going to do is do a decibel reading of the drone in various ways, and then the idea is I'm going to see how much quieter it is, and then maybe I'll do a quick test at the end of that, where maybe from sort of head height I'll shoot up to maybe, let's do 200 feet, 300 feet. I'll pick a sort of target and sort of try and time it, and then what I'll do is I'll record that as on the screen, and then when we play it side by side, let's see if these new props are faster. So I'm really excited to see how these actually turn out. Big thank you again to Joe at J.A.B's Adventure for sending me these. It's absolutely fantastic. It's the first thing anyone has sent me on the channel, or sort of done anything in that regards. So I really appreciate that. And hopefully, you know, it could be of more things to come. And on that note of someone sending me stuff, something I want to do for my subscribers is, when I hit 1,000, which I was hoping to maybe hit from a birthday, but that's just passed. My birthday was just last week, and I was hoping I might have hit 1,000 by that point. But either way, I've done fantastic, so you know, it's great anyway. But when I hit 1,000, I think I might do some sort of giveaway just to say thank you. And then, as and when I get monetized after that, what I would like to do is, if I get anything really much from the monetization in the future, I will look to do more of things like that to give money back to my subscribers for staying with me and supporting me, because I think that's really important. So if you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell icon to keep up to date with future videos. But that's all for now, everyone. I'm chatting and blabbering away, but I just thought I better do a bit of a channel update, etc., just to let you know what's been going on, because it has been a while since I've done a video, because it was a long holiday and I've just been so busy. So thanks everyone for sticking around. Right, let's get this set up, pop them on, and let's see what the difference is. Thanks everyone, see ya, bye. yeah, there was some kids playing down that where I was going to try and set off from in the field. So I found this place, which is, there's a few birds, so it's going to probably pick up on that sound. But hopefully what I'm going to do is sort of let it run for maybe sort of 10 seconds, and then that way you'll get an idea maybe of the sound. So what I've done is I've set up with the standard blade for now. Right, so let's get going. Okay, so when I was doing that test just now, I mean, you're going to get to see the results, but at the moment I couldn't really tell much difference between these. The only thing I could tell was when it was on the floor, just with the props started and not taken off, it did feel like smoother, a bit quieter. When it was in the air, I thought it sounded louder, so it'd be interesting to see actually what the decibels were. Because to me it sounded like it had more of a buzz, like a buzzing sound. And just having a little closer inspection at these, the Master Airscrews, not a massive difference. There's a slight difference in shape, not head on, but if it will pick them up, but side on, it seems slightly more curved. This seems slightly more curved to me. And also, if you look at the ends of the wings, I'm not sure how well, let me see if I can focus it. Come on, camera. Okay, so if you see, the end is slightly, like, it's got like a lip on it, and even there you can sort of see the difference in the side profile. And also these ones are glossy, if that's picking them up, whereas these ones are a matte dull finish. And the only other thing is that I've noticed is when putting these on, if it's going to pick it up, see how that has like a little, get it to focus, see how that has like a little lip? Well, these ones don't, they're completely flat. So that's the only other difference I've found as well. So it is going to be interesting to see, by it being shiny, slightly different shape, and with that little kind of flick up at the end, is that going to make much of a difference to it? Well, let's see. Either way, I really appreciate that Joe sent me these. I hope this has been an interesting video for you drone flyers out there anyway, and we'll see the benefits. It's a good, proper, realistic, hands-on test of the Sorry guys, the camera has just died on its battery, it's on its last legs, so I'm just going to say big thank you for watching, and hopefully see you again soon. See ya.